In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert table and Outlook email in classic Outlook desktop app. Tables are a great way to organize schedules, price lists, or side-by-side comparisons right inside your message, and I'll walk you through both the classic desktop app and the new Outlook or web version, so you can use whichever you prefer. Let's begin in the classic Outlook desktop app. Start by creating a new email, or open a reply or forward if you are continuing a conversation. Click into the message body and place the cursor exactly where you want the table to appear. Now, go to the ribbon at the top and select the Insert tab. Click the Table button and you'll see several ways to build your table. If you want something quick, hover over the grid to choose how many rows and columns you need. Then click to Insert. For precise control, choose Insert Table to open a dialog where you can type the exact number of rows and columns. If your layout is unusual, use Draw Table to sketch custom cells and split areas manually. Need spreadsheet functions? Pick Excel spreadsheet to embed a mini Excel sheet right in your email. Or, if you want a polished look instantly, try Quick Tables to insert a pre-designed template that you can edit. Once your table is in, click inside any cell to start typing. To resize, drag the small handles on the bottom or right edges until the table fits your content. If you want to change the appearance, click anywhere in the table to reveal the table design and layout tabs. From there, apply styles, shading, and borders, and use the layout options to add or remove rows and columns. Adjust cell alignment and fine-tune spacing, so everything is clean and readable. Now, if you are using the new Outlook or the web version, the process is very similar. Start a new message. Then click into the body where you want your table. Go to Insert, then choose Table. You can drag across the grid to select the size you need, or choose Insert Table to specify the number of columns and rows. After it's inserted, adjust the table size by dragging the edges, and type directly into the cells. The formatting tools will let you style it in a way that matches your message, just like in the desktop version. That's it. Thanks for watching.